So what about your fund?
They cancelled. Only we two came. We were interested and we did not. One person dropped, the rest all, okay, I'm also not, unnecessarily.
So I am not a videographer. Let's go. Yeah, inside. You can wash outside. Use this water. That will be salty. We can have, there will be meals available here. Along with, if you want anything special, you can go there and check whichever the fish you want, and they will cook it for you. Pickle. Yes, I'll do. Try it, just try it. Hey, here is your fish.
This is a fish.
Yes.
Hi, this is Anurag.
This is Ishma.
And we are in Rahul's boat at Alleppey in the middle of Punnamalai Lake, and we had a really awesome experience with the trip, and he did recommend a good place to have our lunch, which was pretty delicious.
Yes.
And we are getting the authentic taste of
this
Kerala
Kerala,
food, and
Really
Yeah.
good seafood.
really
Yeah.
good seafood.
Really big fish and lobsters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
But you are still slow to eat that.
Yeah.
and he did wait for us patiently in that
Yes.
situation. So, yeah, please do come to Alleppey and have a visit with Rahul.
It's a really nice place to have like a day out. It's really good. Nice breeze, nice boat actually.
The breeze is good, the weather is good. It's a nice time to hang around. Please do come to Alleppey, you will have a good time.
If any of my customers ask me, I'll never recommend in this time. I will ask them for
The
we'll do it in
monsoon, yeah.
evening or morning.
Mm.
If they really want to have a lunch, then we'll go.
Okay.
Well, we did get the lunch out of it. Then.
Yeah. We wouldn't have gone for that kind of an authentic food if it were not for you.
Yes.
That if the timing is changed, then everything go to the
Yeah.
square one.
We've
What?
stayed in Kerala for 3 days till now, and we still didn't have such good food.
Why?
This-
We didn't have good
we didn't have-
recommendations. Wherever we went, it was more like in tune with the
Yeah.
place where we live.
Nothing was really of the
This
local
was better,
stuff.
uh,
Yeah.
If you tried even some other items, you would be stunned.
It's still good, even though it's like really
hot,
yeah, it's
yeah.
a little hot, but good breeze and all. Nothing to like.
Nothing to worry about.
Yeah,
that.
nothing to worry about that.
It's
If you come visit Hyderabad, you can just come and say hi. You have our number anyway.
okay, fine. That's but I don't need any operations for me.
We'll take you around, okay? Not for that.
I just want my kidney and brain.
Short notice and it worked out. So
Yeah, even we were short notice.
But you were also booked. That's why we don't having any confusions down the line. So, and to be, I need to say this. See, if you are booking with me, you need to book with not with a short notice. At least I could just need to get around 24 hours.
Okay.
Because see, already I mentioned about the canoeing, speedboat ride, and kayaking. That can be done on the way, but it is kind of a tricky one.
Yeah, you don't know if it's
Down the line, you ask me for canoeing. Actually, we just passed the canoeing spot and just we having the last minutes. So I think about okay, canoeing not gonna work, kayaking not gonna work. So let's put him in a speedboat.
Okay.
That is my idea.
okay.
So it's all need to be arranged before
Okay.
that trip start. So it will be go smooth. Otherwise,
We'll go
I
front and back
yes.
again. Yeah.
I just have that kind of an incident. I was just having three girls. They asked me for okay, we'll go full package. Actually, I just picked them right on the roadside, and they all were okay with the package itself. And I was on the way. I just get to the canoeing point, and there were any boats available. So I just hey, can we skip that canoeing part? And I after that we'll go some other activities. We'll do the kayaking and speedboat ride. That they were enjoying it, and the canoeing wasn't that much of a impact on them because we cannot have that experience to be provided.
Yeah, that
See,
makes sense.
need to be having that connection.
Yeah.
Once we have a full day package or whatever package it is, we need to connect before they feel bored. Okay, one after another, we need to hit.
Yeah.
You don't need to worry about
In a
okay
smooth,
what
pre-planned way.
yes, we'll go everything according to plan. Even sometimes our plan will be changed. Something will happen.
Yeah, in spite
Just
of all the
like you
planning.
guys. I was told that maybe five people,
People will but yeah.
end up coming only just two. Okay, fine. That's not a problem at all.
Yeah.
We'll deal with in
We
future.
did not want to miss this actually. We don't know why, and now we are very happy that
Yeah,
we
very
did not
glad
miss
we
it.
didn't miss it, yeah.
Okay, we'll move.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up.
ಇದೊಂದು ಓ ಇದು ಜಾಗ